Yes, you're welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome to today mathematics like question answer for this upcoming Jamb examination. So this is question 21. Okay, in this class we'll be looking, this today video we'll be looking at how you can solve this 5 questions you can see on the screen. Okay, and this is the first question. This is question 21 of this one. No, our previous class we'll be looking for question 1 to question 20, but in this video we'll be looking for question 21 to what? Question 25. So we have 5 question to be solved in this video. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's look how you can solve this question. And before we proceed, if this is your first time watching my video or visit my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and touch your button in case what we have a new video like this. Okay, let's look how you can solve this video because I don't want this video to be too much long. Okay, that is why I bring out just 5 questions. So in case you missed our previous video, you can check in the description below. You see the link that directs you to our previous video, both WAEC, NECO, any type of exam you are working, you are trying to do this here, you see the link that you can list to our previous class. Okay, let's go how you can solve this question. On this question 21 states that we have find the sum to infinity of this following series. We have 0.5 plus 0.05 plus 0.005 plus 0.0005 plus to infinity. So we want to find the sum towards infinity, and this is the what options. We're giving this option A. So we just do here now. Since you hear that sum to infinity, the first thing to come to your mind is to remember our GP. No, GP in last our previous video I tweeted about our GP and AP. So you can go, in case you miss our previous class based on what this GP, you can go there and understand what it means by GP and the calculation aspect of what our GP. So the first thing to come to your mind is to remember the formula to sum to calculate a sum to infinity. We say that is the solution. We say that sum to infinity is equal to we have A over 1 minus what? R. So this is the formula, this is the general formula to calculate what? Sum to what? Infinity. So in this place now, this A means what? The first time. Where R means what? The common ratio. We all know that. Okay, let's put this in. How we get this common ratio? To get this common ratio, to get this common ratio, it will be what? First time divided by what? The second time. Okay, here we have our A. Our A is equal to what? 0.5. This is our what? Our first time. So to get this common ratio now is equal to now divide what? First time divided by what? The second time. Why? Because our first time, second time divided by what? The first time, which gives us our first time. We have that what? Second time is rather you have 0.05 divided by first time you have 0.5. So in this present, to avoid mistake, since you say that our first time is equal to our second time is equal to this, our first time is equal to this, you can convert this one to what? To, because our option here is what? In form of fraction. And here we have decimal. So you have to convert what? This decimal to fraction. Okay? So let's look how you can convert this the second time. T2 is equal to 0.1015. Let's convert it to fraction. So here now you count how many after these points. How many number of digits you see here? 1, 2. That's what we have 2 digits, right? And this 2 digits means what? 100. Okay, so it means that we have what? 5 over what? 100. Yeah. So in this place now, and let's say that our T1 we have 0.5. So let's convert 0.5 to what? To fraction. How many digits do you see after this point? We have only 1 digit here. Which is what? This 5 alone. So it'll be 5 over what? And 1 digit means what? It means what? 10. So that gives 5 over 10. So in this place, let's put this one into what? Into this our ratio. Now this our ratio is equal to what? T2 over T1, and we have this. So I convert this one to fraction. Now. So let's bring it back to what we have here. Okay, let me say our ratio now is equal to. So writing this one, we have what? As 5 over what? 100. So divide by this division. I put it like this. We have what? 5 over what? 10. So the next thing to do now, since we have both our their fraction and they're separated by what? Division. So you have to change the division to what? To multiplication. But when you want to change the division to multiplication, you turn to the inverse of this what? As the second what part. So this one becomes, we have our R is equal to 5 over what? 100 multiplied by this one goes down, this one comes what? This one go up, this one comes down. That is what? 10 over what? 5. So here 5 can cancel 5 here, 5 cancels 5 here, that's 1. So here 10 here, 1, 10 here, we have what? 10. So and now therefore our ratio is equal to what? 1 over 10. 1 times 1 gives 1. 10 times 1, and that's what? That's our ratio is equal to 1 over what? 10. Where our first time, our A is equal to 0.5. But in fraction, according to what we get here, we have what? 5 over what? 10. And our A is equal to what? 5 over 10. Because our option here is what? It's a fraction. So let's put into what? Our general formula. So our general formula, we have it like this. We have our sum to infinity is equal to, we have a. Our a is equal to what? Is 5 over what? 10. So we have division. Let's put it like this, as divided by, okay, about mistake, let's divided by, we have 1 minus our r we get what? 1 over what? 10. So in this place, the first thing to do this place, if you see mathematics like this, first of all, you find the SL of this, or the numerator here. We have the what? So we have 1 here, we have 1 over 10 here. So to make this one function as this, divide over 1 into this over 1 to it, and find the function SL of what? Of this. So when you find the SL of 1 and 10, we have what? 10. So in this place, we have our sum to infinity is equal to 5 over 10 divided by SL of 1 and 10, we have 10 over 1 divided by 10, we have what? 10. 10 times 1, we have 10 minus 10 divided by 10, that is what? 1. 1 times 1, that gives us 1. So in this place, let's subtract this from this. Subtract this one, that gives us 9. So sum to infinity is equal to, we have 5 over 10 divided by, we have what? 9. This one is this, that is 9 over what? 10. So in this place now, since we have two division here, so let's put it like this. Can also write it like this. And with this, we have sum to infinity is equal to, we have 5 over 10 divided by, we have what? 9 over what? 10. So in this aspect now, what we just do here now is to what? What we just do here to change this division to what? To multiplication, because both here they are what? They are in fraction and they're separated by what? Division. You change to what? Multiplication. When you change this division to multiplication, is to what? Inverse of this. Why this time it comes up? Why this time it goes down? So our sum to infinity now is equal to that is 5 over 10 multiplied by, that is 10 over what? 9. This one goes up, why it will come down? So 10 here 1, 10 here we have what? 1. So here we have 5 times 1, that is what? 5. 1 times 9, that gives us 9. So our sum to infinity is equal to what? That is 5 over what? 9. So therefore our answer is equal to what? 5 over 9. So our answer we have is as A. So for this question, our answer is what? Is A. So if you like this video, and if in case you have any question pertaining to this video, you can let me know in the comment section. And okay, let's go to this is our final answer for this question 21. So let's move to question 22. Okay guys, so welcome back. Okay, this is question 22. Okay, this question states that the top time of an arithmetic progression is -9, and the 7th time is what? -29. Find the 10th time of the progression. And here these are the options we are given. So we have A, B, C, and what? And D. So how will we solve this question if you see this question? So the first thing to point to your mind is to remember the topic. Okay. So this topic is not, it's AP because it's giving us a method of progression. It's what they're talking about AP. And we're given the top time and what? On the 7th time. And you have to calculate what? The 10th of the what? Of this what? AP. So in case maybe you missed our previous video based on this AP, because I've explained in detail about what this AP, you can check in the description below. You see what our previous video based on what of this AP. I will drop the link in the description below. Okay. So to calculate the top time of an AP, do you have a general formula to calculate it? Let's say we have our top time is given our top time of our AP is equal to, we have our, from the general formula, let me write the general formula to calculate the n time of AP is given as Cn is equal to A plus what? That is n minus 1 multiplied by what? D. This is general formula to calculate what? N time of what? Of AP. So now assume we want to calculate for the top time now, that is 3 of an AP, where our n is equal to what? 3. So now if we put it here now, we have our A plus what? 3 in minus 1, close the bracket, we have D. So in this way, 3 minus 1, we have for 2. So the formula to calculate top time of what? Of AP now is equal to what? A plus what? 2 or D. So this is the formula to calculate what is the third time of what? Of AP. And to calculate the 7th time of AP now, it will be equal to, our n is what? Is 7. Okay? When you subtract 1 for 7, we have for 6. So this one becomes A plus what? 6 or D. So this is the formula to calculate what? 7th time of what? Of AP. So if you want to calculate the 10th time of what? Of AP, of this or 3rd time of our AP, we have our T10 is equal to, you subtract 1 from 10. 1 from 10 we have for 9. 1 multiplied by what? By this D. That gives us what? As 90. So you have A plus what? 9 or D. So this is the formula to calculate what? 3rd time of what? Of AP. 7th time of what? Of AP. And 3rd time of 10th time of what? Of AP. So we want to calculate the 10th time of what? Of this AP. According to the question we are given here, the 3rd time is given as what? Minus what? 19. While the 7th time is given as what? As what? Minus 20 what? 29. Okay, so this one is minus 9, and y is what? Minus what? 20 what? 9. So what we just do here now, since our third time is given as what? Minus 9, where our seventh is given as what? Minus what? That's minus 29. Where our third time, our tenth, is given as what? That's what we want to find. Our what? Our 10th time. So in this place down, our third time, we have it like this. So now from this place down, let's our TTV to be equal to what? Minus what? 9. From this place, we have it like this. Our TTV, so about this TTV is about a plus what? 2d equals to what? Minus what? 9. For this T7, we have it like this. Our T7 becomes, we have our T7 as what? Minus 20 what? 9. We have what? A plus 6d equal to what? Minus what? 29. So you can call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. So what we just do here now is to subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. Okay? You subtract this equation 1 from equation 2. So in this place, to subtract this equation 1 from equation 2, we have it like this. We have a minus what? A. Plus, here we have a 6d minus what? 2 what? Sorry, this one is minus 2 what? D equal to, we are subtracting minus 29 minus what? Plus, because we have minus already, and this one has a minus already here. That's a minus 9. So let me put it like that to avoid a mistake. So in this place, a minus a, we have 0 here. 6d minus 2d, we give us what? 4d equal to, minus times minus here, we gives plus. Here we have a plus here. Okay? Minus 29 plus what? 9. That gives what? 20. That's minus what? 20. We have what? Minus what? 20. So in this place, I want to just divide both sides by what? We are dividing both sides by what? By d. Coefficient of d, which is what? Which is 4. Divide both sides by 4. Divide both sides by 4. 4 here, 1. 4 here, we have what? 1. So our d now is equal to 4 here, 1. 4 in 20, we have what? 5. So d is equal to what? Minus what? 5. So our d is equal to what? Minus what? 5. So here we are get our d is equal to what? Minus what? 5. So in this place now we need what? And T10 is equal to what? A plus 9d. We are getting our d to equal to what? Minus what? 5. So to get to our a now, okay, you can use this equation 1 to get to what? This a, to get our value of a. So let's put d is equal to what? Minus 5 into this equation 1. So now for this equation 1 now, we have it like this. That's our a plus what? 2 into bracket. We have our d is equal to what? Minus what? 5. That's what into bracket what? Minus 5 equal to, we have what? Minus what? 9. So in this place, let's put the bracket we have here. 2 times minus 5, which we have what? Minus what? 10. We have our a is equal to what? Minus plus minus what? 10. Let me put it like, okay, let me put it like this. We got the minus what? 10 equal to minus what? 9. So let's open the bracket we have here. Plus times minus, we have what? Minus. Our a now minus what? 10 is equal to minus what? 9. So in this place, now collect the like time because we have this number here and 9 here. 10 and 9 here, they are the same. Okay, let's collect the like time. Let's take this minus 5, the minus 10 to this side. So here we have our a is equal to, that's what? Minus 9. Takes on to what? Plus. That's what? Plus what? 10. Minus 9 plus 10, we have what? 1. So our a now is equal to what? 1. So our value of a is equal to 1. Where our d is equal to what? Minus 5. So now to get our T10 now, you know that from this place, I said our T10 is equal to, we have a plus what? 9d. To get our the third time of what? Of this AP. Okay, in this place now we say our a is equal to what? 9 is equal to 1. So rather, where our d is equal to what? Minus what? 5. So let's put it here. A is equal to 1. So our T10 is equal to, we have 1 plus, we have what? 9 into bracket. Our d is what? Is minus 5. Minus what? 5. So in this place now you open the bracket. 9 times minus what? 5. That gives us minus what? 45. So our T10 on is equal to, we have 1 plus into bracket minus what? 45. So in this place, let's open the bracket here. Plus times minus, we have minus. So our T10 on is equal to what? 1 minus what? 45. So when you subtract 1 minus 45, 1 minus 45, what do you get? We have what? Minus what? 4. We have our T10 is equal to what? Minus what? 4. So our answer is equal to what? Minus what? 44. So let's search for the option here. Our option is what? Is C. So it means that C is our what? Is our answer for this one, for this question 22, for this question. Okay, I hope you like this video, and in case if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or notification button in case what we have a new video like this. Okay, this solution to question 22. So let me to question 23 of today of class. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, this question 23, okay, of today class. So this question 23 said that if s star y is equal to s plus y squared, find the value of what? Of 2 star 3 close bracket star what? 5. Okay, so we have the option here. We have 36, we have 11, we have 25, we have 55. So this is the expression we use to calculate what? The value of this. So the first thing to come to your mind is that, you know, this way you have our s. This one is expressed as this. S times y will give us s plus y squared. Okay, but if you compare to this one, you have what? S times y. You can place this one as this s. This one is y. Because now our s to be equal to this, our y to be equal to what? This. So now if you say it like this, we have our s to be equal to, we have to multiply star what? 3. We have our y is equal to what? That is at 5. But in this aspect of y, so let's solve this s first. For this s is equal to this 2 star 3. We have it as this. And here we have the expression that states that this, we have our s star what? Y. So it means that our s is equal to this, our y is equal to what? This. According to this expression we have here. And then this one is equal to what? It's equal to this. So this one leads to here. Our s is equal to 2, that is 2. That is plus what? Our y is equal to what? Our y is equal to this, that's what? Y squared. That is what? 3 squared. So let's solve this. We have 2 here plus 3 raised by 2. That is what? 3 times 3. That gives us 9. We have what? 9 here. Okay, 2 plus 9, which gives us what? 11. We have 11. So it means our s is equal to what? 11. So now if we bring this one out, if we compare it to what? To this. Okay, our s is clear. This one we have said this one is equal to what? 11. We are getting 11 here. So let's bring it back to what? To what we have here. So which means that we have our s star of y is equal to, we have it like this as 2 star of 3 star of what? 5. Let's close brackets. Where this one is equal to what? 11, because I've solved this, we get our 11 here. So in this place, and this one can also becomes, we have our 11 star of what? Of 5. So in this aspect now, this one means our s, this one means our what? Of y. So let's compare this one to this. S and y here, this is also written as s or star y is equal to what? That's 11 star what? 5. And this one is given as expression as what? As this. And this one is equal to what? Is this. Okay? So here we have it as our 11, our s. This one will be our s. So it will be what? Our y. Okay? So in this one, our s, we have our 11 plus what? Y. Our y is equal to what? 5. That's what? 5 was square. Okay? Here we have 5 square, which gives our 20 what? 25. Okay? So in this way, we have 11 plus what? 20 what? 5. Because 5 square, that is 5 times 5. That's what? 25. So let's add this to this. 11 plus 25, that gives us what? As 30 what? 6. We have what? 30 what? 6. So our answer is equal to what? 30 what? 6. So in this place now, our option what is what? Our answer is what? Is A. So that is how you solve what? This kind of what? Of question. Okay? Hope you understand. And if you understand, don't forget to subscribe, like, also click the button in case what we have a new video like this. Okay? So let's move to the question 24 of this today class. Okay guys, so welcome back. Okay? This is question 24, okay, of this today class. Okay, in this place we have if P and Q are 2 non-zero numbers, and 18 into bracket P plus Q equal to, we have 18 plus P close bracket, we have what? Q. Which of these following must be what? Must be true. Okay, we're given this expression and they say that which of this one must be true. So how we solve this question? The first thing, this question is very simple. The first to do, you write what this expression we're given, write it out. So here we have our 18. We have 18 into bracket, you have P plus what? Q, close bracket equal to, you have 18 open bracket plus what? P, close bracket multiply what? Q. Okay. In this place now, let's open the bracket of both sides. Okay. So when you open this bracket for this side, left hand side now, that's 18 times P, that's what? 18 what? P, plus this will be 18 times Q, that's what? 18 what? Q, equal to Q times 18, it gives us what? As 18 what? Q, plus we have 8 times P, which gives us our P what? Q. So in this place now, you collect the like time. The next thing to collect like time, because this we have Q here, we have Q here. So this one and this one they are alike. Here you have PQ, and this one they are not alike. You only have what, this one and this one are alike. So when you collect the like time, we have it like this. That is what, 18P plus we have 18Q. Take this on to the side. That is what, minus what, 80 what Q equal to, we have what, P what Q. So 18Q minus what, 80Q. This gives what, 0. So you left is what, 18P equal to P what, Q. So here what is coming to both sides down? That is P. So you divide both sides by what? By P. So why you divide both sides by P? So why is divide both sides by P? So this P divided by P divided by P here, P cancel P here, P cancel P here. So here we have our 18 is equal to what? Q. Or you say what? Q is equal to what? 18. So let's see now which of these following is what? Number 2. So it means that what? 18, Q is equal to what? 18. So here we have our answer as what? As A is the answer for this question. That is how you solve this question. You know, it's very simple. And if you have any question, about this video, you can let me know in the comment section. Don't forget what to subscribe. So let me solve the question 25, okay, of today's class. So you're welcome back, okay. This is question 25 for today's class, okay. In this question we have, if S, we have the base here, we have S3, 2, 7 equal to 15. Find the value of what? Of S. Want to look for the value of this S. So what is just here now? The first thing to come to your mind is what? Is that if you look at a question like this one, it's a matrix, okay? So what it is, this one multiplied by this minus, there's a minus sign here, which does indicate this one times this, okay? So how we solve this one? So let's find how you can solve this. Here we have what? 7, S times 7 minus, we have this times this, what? 2 times what? 5. So let's put that in the solution. We have it as S times 7, that's what, 7 what? S, okay? Minus, we have minus sign here, which is now what? Physical, minus what? 3 times 2, we have a 6. And we say what is equal to what? 15. Okay? So in this place, what we just do here is to what? To collect the like time. So when you collect the like time, we have it as what? 7S equal to 15. This one comes to what? Plus, that is plus what? 6. 15 plus 6, we get what? 20 what? 1. Okay, in this we have 7S equal to 20 what? 1. So now to get the value of this S now, you divide both sides by coefficient of S. And coefficient of S is what? Is 7. So you divide both sides by 7, divide both sides by what? The 7. 7 here, 1, 7 here, we have what? 1. So you have our S is equal to what? 7 here, 1, 7, 23, is 21 rather. We give us as 3. So S is equal to what? 3. So the value of S now for this question is equal to what? 3. So our option is what? It's A. So that A is the answer for this question. Okay, if you understand this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or subscribe button in case what we have any video like this. Okay, let's drop the curtain for today's video. Okay, our next video we will be looking at question 26 to question 30. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, to leave a like, and to turn the notification button in case what we have a new video like this. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you for your love and your support. Thank you and bye for now.